So my name is Christina, and I'll be showcasing our platform called Gatherly. Gatherly is a text edition which aims to make social gatherings and networking less intimidating and more accessible. It lets you discover amazing venues and opportunities in your city that you may have not known existed. So, for example, you can find your community by joining events. I'll get to that shortly. Or you could host an event. So this empowers local communities because it allows small cafes or businesses to host and bring people together to build a close-knit society, and it also builds long-lasting connections. So, for example, if you wanted to share your skills and knowledge or passion, then we could go to the venues, and let's say I wanted to do an educational CV building talk, let's say. We would go, I would want a university, and therefore I would need a sound system, and I would want it to be wheelchair accessible as well as air conditioning, because it's very hot right now. And you could book directly on site, so you don't need to get redirected anywhere. You simply just select the date, the time slot, and the time duration, and then you book. Get sent to your email. If you are an individual that wants to meet other people and network, then there are various of events that you can choose from. So you can choose from, let's say I wanted a hackathon, and I wanted it to be prayer rooms and air conditioning. You can also choose the ticket price range. This one is free. This is obviously HuddleHive. Here there are obviously the event timings and a description with all of the amenities on site, featured speakers, and the location, which you can view on a larger map, and you can also get directions to. Again, you can book on site. You just put all of your information in, and it gets sent to your email. And we understand that some people may not be able to make it in person. Therefore, we created a blog right here without any second-party website. So this allows it to, for example, previous events, people who have attended, they can write reviews. This means that even if you miss it or weren't able to attend in person, you are able to still get the insight and all of the useful resources that you would have otherwise missed. You can also get tips and tricks from other people, and it also allows for networking because every single author can put their contacts down here, for example, their email, their LinkedIn, and you can just message them and say, hey, I liked your blog on Gatherly, I wanted to talk more about this. And that way you would end up creating meaningful conversations and a big network. Here you can obviously create your own blogs if you would want to. And finally, you can also volunteer. So the different type of events, like I said, you can host an event, you can volunteer, you can partner, and even if you are someone who's more like individual, you can still help. You can go to contact and you can suggest different ideas of upcoming events. So if you wanted, for example, to have an outdoor event, you can just write your message here and Gatherly will try and set something up.